Hello, Eve. I hear you've been asking for information about the heating paper we offer to a wide range of customers.
Thank you for taking the time to speak with me.
No problem at all. Let me explain how you can heat your home with our special wallpaper. It sounds unbelievable, but it really works. The wallpaper is made from a unique kind of paper that allows electricity to pass through, generating heat. Imagine it like having sunlight inside your room, but without the harmful UV rays. And the best part? It can lower your electricity bills by up to 30%. No joke, it's incredibly efficient.
How does it work?
It's simple. The paper runs on low voltage and heats up to a still touchable temperature. This creates far infrared radiation, which reflects off the walls and furniture. Your body also absorbs this radiation. It feels like warm sunshine on your skin.
Is it safe?
Yes, absolutely. The infrared radiation is completely safe and even healthier than real sunlight because there are no UV rays. In fact, this type of radiation is used in medicine to treat muscles and joints. So it's not just safe for you and your little children, it is also safe for your pets. Your cat will thank you forever for it.
How do I install it?
It is easier than you think. You just measure the room you want to heat and then visit the InfraSun website. They have tools and guides that help you to choose the right system for your application and to install it. You don't need any special skills. It's a real do-it-yourself project if you like to install it as DIY project.
That sounds very good. Are there other uses for it?
Yes, it is truly versatile. Our paper-based heating systems can warm your home, heat water, keep buffets at serving temperature, and provide comfortable heat in tents, caravans/RVs, and even boats. They also scale to industrial applications. You can connect our heating paper system directly to photovoltaic panels, which can significantly reduce your electricity cost to a fraction during the heating season. It's an eco-friendly, cost-effective solution.
What is the heating paper made of?
It's made from recycled paper and other environmentally friendly materials like cellulose fiber and some secret materials.
This helps reduce CO2 emissions, and it is completely non-toxic.
Can I paint over it or cover it with other wallpaper?
Yes, you can. You can paint over the heating paper with any interior paint or cover it with other wallpaper or with a mural. Just make sure it is not hidden behind furniture like wardrobes, mirrors, or other blocking furniture. The infrared rays need open space to warm the room properly. The rest of the heat comes from the surfaces absorbing the radiation. By the way, we only heat the air to a certain low percentage level, depending on the heating system you want to use out of our range. So if you open a window for a short while to let fresh air in, you don't lose much heat because the main warming comes from the far infrared emission. It's like having your own personal sun warming your room.
How much open wall space do I need?
It depends on the size of the room. For 10 square meters of floor space with a standard ceiling height, you'll need approximately 60 centimeters in width and 1.5 meters in height if you use our DIY system. So if your room is 20 square meters, your open wall space should be about 1.2 meters wide and at least 1.5 meters high. You can also use the ceiling or the upper parts of your walls. InfraSun offers different solutions in their range of heating papers that are suitable for almost any room size, even in spaces with heavy furniture. Remember, our system only heats a small percentage of the air. Most of the warmth comes from surfaces absorbing and release of the infrared radiation. That's one of the reasons why this type of heating is so energy efficient.
Is the wall where it is installed on not taking all the heat away?
No! When the heating area is activated, the paper immediately radiates heat in both directions, into the room and towards the wall. The wall absorbs some of the heat and then reflects it back into the room as infrared rays.
In fact, the wall stores some of the heat, which doesn't get lost like it would be with conventional heating, where the heat only warms the air.
Remember, we only heat a little percentage of the air. That's one of the reasons why this type of heating saves a lot of energy.
Thank you for all the explanations. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. See you soon.